You know how every web browser just kind of shows you stuff? This one actually thinks with you. OpenAI just dropped its own browser. It might change the way we use the web. All right, so let's start with something real. I've been hunting for a beige king-size bed frame with good reviews for under $600, $500. So we can see here it's looking through multiple sources: Reddit, Amazon, Walmart, Wayfair, Home Depot, eBay, Bed Bath & Beyond, even YouTube. Here's some 8 good options for a beige king-size bed frame under or around $500. Make sure the size is correct. And what I can do here is I can look through all these various options, and then I can click into it, and the sidebar will open up. And I can look through the details such as some images and what people are saying about it. But what's cool is I don't have to leave this page. I can go ahead and do comparisons. And within the same product, I can see comparisons of different places I can purchase from. So I can compare prices from Zinus, Target, Walmart. I can click on the site and it's going to open up here, but it's still going to have this sidebar, so I can always return to my results. I think this is pretty effective if you do a lot of comparison shopping. Now let's see how it handles going out. Here's my prompt. So I can see that it's searching individual website for a restaurant. It's going through Yelp, Reddit, San Francisco Standard, Ozuma, Facebook. It's got all these various sources that it's looking through in seconds. And here's this recommendation, Boo Boo. Okay. And it's got information such as location, when the happy hour is, why it's good, and also tips. And okay, let's try clicking on it. Okay, so it has all the various websites that it gathered the data from. Let's click on the happy hour. And then I can go back and let's see. If you like 2 to 3 more sushi spots, I can pull those up too. Yes, please. Here are 2 more solid sushi and cocktails happy hour spots in San Francisco for a Friday night. So I can click through the images. Okay. I can also see what sources it pulled from by clicking here. It's pulling from Infatuation, Postcard, the actual website of the restaurants, Reddit, and also TripAdvisor and Yelp. And then I can click on the individual links here to see where their happy hour items and times are sourced from. All right, so now we're in agent mode. And now I'm going to copy the same prompt and paste it in, and let's go. I'm starting by thoroughly considering, okay, confirming flight details. Okay, so it's going through all the flight booking sites right now. And then once it has the top 3 options, oh wow. So it's going to Google Flights. It is actually going through the site and checking all the flights on Google Flights. Okay, so it came up with some options. Would you like me to draft an email in Gmail with these 3 options and wait for your confirmation before sending it? Sure. I mean, yes. Now it's preparing an email. I'm putting together the final URL for the email, which includes encoded subject and body text. Okay, now it's creating an email. This is wild. Okay, so I went ahead and compiled all the various flights and then composed this email draft. And now it's asking me to just review it before I hit send. Looks good. I'm gonna hit send. This is the email. All right, so one more thing I wanted to cover is privacy and memory. So if you click on your icon here and then go to settings, you have some options for how you want your data handled. So you can go to web browsing, for example. You can delete the history. In terms of personalization, there's memories in here of all the context of the chats that you had with ChatGPT. You can erase that if you want. And then also agent mode. You can give it more context as to how it should behave. And then data controls here. You can archive all the chats.
Yeah, so far Atlas feels like ChatGPT, Chrome, and TripAdvisor had a baby. So I'm gonna keep testing it for a week, especially how it handles payments, autofill, and site compatibility. And I'll share a deeper review soon.